Alex walks into the Apple store to fix his phone. He walks out spending $1,200. Alex looks at the cracked screen in his hand. He places the phone on the counter. The repair price appears, $350. Alex nods. It feels acceptable. Then Alex turns around. A brand new iPhone sits under bright lights. For $850 more, you can upgrade, the salesperson says. Alex pauses, looking at his old phone, then at the new one. Alex tells himself it's for work. Minutes later, he taps his card. Approved. $1,200. Alex walks outside, holding a small shopping bag. Alex wasn't reckless. The question just changed. First, should Alex pay $350 to repair his phone? Then, should Alex pay $850 more to upgrade? That's called anchoring bias. Next time you think it's just a little more, ask yourself, who set that comparison?